I bet you didn't know a simple sensor could mess with your whole dashboard. If your Chevy Colorado's temp gauge is acting weird, you're not alone. Let's find out what's really happening. First things first, if your temperature gauge isn't working, don't panic. It could be something simple. In most cases, the problem is a faulty coolant temperature sensor. This small part sends info to your gauge, so if it goes bad, your readings get stuck or vanish. Another common issue is a loose or damaged wire. A break in the connection can cause the gauge to stop working too. Sometimes the problem is with the gauge itself, but that's less common. What should you do? Start by checking your coolant level. Low coolant can sometimes cause odd readings. Next, see if any warning lights are on. If not, you might need a mechanic to check the sensor or wiring. Remember, driving with an overheating engine can cause big damage, so if you suspect a real overheating issue, pull over and get help. And that's it. Now you know why your Chevy Colorado temp gauge might be acting up, and what you can do about it.